We are the students of MTech in VLSI Design and Microelectronics Technology of Jadavpur University. We have designed a support system for blind which is a part of TIIC India Analog Design Contest 2014. Our group comprises of Anand Chatterjee, Krishnendu Dhar, Abhijit Kumar Mukhopadhyay and me Shubhromita Bosha. We have carried out our project under the mentorship of Mr. Shayan Chatterjee, who is the Assistant Professor of ETC Department of our university.
The seeds of this idea were sown when we went through an informative article in the Deccan Herald, where it stated that more than 20 million persons are blind in India. So we thought of designing something that would help the blind in walking. Accordingly, we did some literature survey, and what we found out was that most of the methods proposed focus heavily on obstacle detection without regard to other forms of accidents that may befall a blind person. Accordingly, we have developed a system that is going to aid the blind while he is walking and prevent him from falling, not only because of an obstacle, but also because if he is walking very fast or if he is walking over a slippery surface.
This is a surface roughness detection module. In case the user happens to walk on a wet floor or a highly polished marble floor, the blind person might slip and fall due to low friction of the surface. To avoid this type of situation, a surface roughness detection module has been incorporated in the walking aid. This module uses the principle of reflection of light to measure the roughness of the surface on which the blind person is walking. An IR LED has been used as a light source and has been placed at the bottom of the sensor and controller housing. A phototransistor is used as a photodetector and has been placed near the light source. Light emitted from the source enters the phototransistor after reflection from the walking surface. Depending on the intensity of reflected light, the output of phototransistor varies, which can be used as an input to the code controller to determine whether the surface on which the blind person is walking is a rough or a smooth one. This module has been designed to detect wet floor and highly polished surfaces depending on the same principle. The analog output of the phototransistor is converted by an ADS7825P analog to digital converter to digital input for processing by the MSC430 code controller. Now, when we bring a highly polished surface near the detector, we see the change in voltage in multimeter.
This is our final project, support system for the blind. This is the proximity sensor, the surface roughness detector below, and the magnetic RPM meter near the magnet of the wheels. The output is given by the buzzer. Now if we test it going near an obstacle, the buzzer sounds. Now at normal walking speed there is no indicator, but if we walk fast, the buzzer sounds indicates that the person is walking fast. Now when we place the walker on a rough surface, there is no indication, but when it comes to a highly polished surface, it gives an indication that the person should walk slow. Now when the person goes near a staircase, the proximity sensor sounds the alarm for the person